Morning friends, last time we had to discuss the introduction and the history of the soap we had to discuss in last lecture. In this lecture we have to start the chemistry of the soap. Okay, the soap and detergent are essential to personal and the public health. Okay, means that these two component, that is the soap and detergent, it is useful for the personal and the public health. Means you have to know about the soap and detergent are removing the bacteria, soil particles or the chemical into our body surfaces or the clothes. Okay, therefore this is the chemistry of the soaps. The soaps are made from fats and oil or their fatty acids. Okay, you have to know about the soaps are made from fats, and it is soaps are made from the fats and the oil or their fatty acids. Means you have to know the soaps you have to formation by the fats and oil, and the some of the fatty acid into the animal's skin, or the some of the fatty acid into the oils, and therefore you are to formation of the soaps. Okay, that the soap is made from fats and oil or their fatty acid. Okay, so this is all about the chemistry of the soap. Next is the fatty acids. Next is fatty acids. That the fatty acids is RCOH. It is a formula of the fatty acid. Therefore, the fatty acid is a merely carboxylic acid, and it consisting of long hydrocarbon chain at the end of carboxylic acid. Okay, means your fatty acid are merely the carboxylic acid, and it consisting long hydrocarbon chain. Okay, means you have to fatty acid, and that the carboxylic acid it containing long hydrocarbon chain, and that long hydrocarbon chain is a one end is a carboxylic group, and the other end is a fatty acid group. Okay, so this is the fatty acid. Next is the types of the fatty acid. The fatty acid are classified according to the number of double bonds, and they possesses there are two types of the fatty acid. First is a saturated fatty acid, and the second is unsaturated fatty acid. Okay, therefore the saturated fatty acid is about the saturated is equal to carbon carbon single bonds. Therefore the saturated fatty acid are the long chain fatty acid which lack the double bond between the carbon carbon atom in their structure. Okay, means that the saturated fatty acid it is a long chain fatty acid. Okay, saturated fatty acid are the long chain fatty acid, and this fatty acid which lack the double bond between carbon atom in their structure. Okay, means this acid it is a lack a double bond between the carbon atom, double bond between the two carbon atom and in their structure. This is all about the saturated carbon carbon single bond. Okay, and these bonds are highly saturated with the hydrogen atom and the saturated fatty acids. Okay, means you are saturated C single bond C, these bonds are highly saturated with the hydrogen bond. Okay, means these bonds are highly saturated with the hydrogen atom, and therefore these hydrogen atoms are saturated fatty acid, and therefore it cannot be break down in the body collect. Okay, means that fatty acid you are to did not break down in body collect, in presence in the body get the store. Okay, example is the some of the example of the saturated fatty acid is about the acetic acid, then the butyric acid, caproic acid, and the palmitic acid. Okay, so this is the four example of the saturated fatty acid. Next, therefore look at this reaction, look at this formula of the saturated of the fatty acid, and therefore this formula is about the stearate ion. Okay, this is formula for the stearate ion. Okay, the second fatty acid is about the unsaturated fatty acid. Okay, that the unsaturated fatty acid is one or more carbon carbon double bond. Okay, the unsaturated fatty acid are the fatty acid with one or more double bond between the two carbon atom. They are unsaturated the fatty acid because their double bond are unsaturated. Okay, so therefore you have to know about the unsaturated fatty acid. That unsaturated fatty acid are the fatty acid with one or more double bonds. Okay, that unsaturated acid it is a fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acids are fatty acid, and that is one or more double bond between carbon atom, one or more double bond between two carbon atom, and they are unsaturated fatty acid, means that those are unsaturated fatty acid because their double bond are unsaturated, because their double bond are unsaturated. Okay, then secondly, they can saturated by adding the hydrogen atom. Okay, means it is says that they can be saturated by adding the hydrogen, means you are unsaturated acid fatty acid, and it can be saturated by adding the hydrogen atom. It can be saturated by adding the hydrogen atom into the unsaturated fatty acid, and therefore it is converting the double bond into the single bond. Therefore it is converting the double bond into single bond, and this carbon atom on both the side of the double bond, it can occur in two different configuration. It can occur in two different configuration. First is a cis formation and second is a trans configuration. Okay, means that that point it is says that they can be saturated by adding the hydrogen atom. You have to also know about, you are to taking the alkene compound, then you are to hydrogenation to formation of the alkyl. Okay, therefore at this point it is also says that they can be saturated, means you are to unsaturated is containing the double bond, means that double bond you can be saturated by adding the hydrogen, by adding the hydrogen atoms, and thus converting the double bond into the single bond. Okay, and therefore this carbon atom on both sides of the double bond, it can occur in two different configuration. Okay, carbon atoms both side of the double bond, and it can occur in two different configuration, and this namely is as cis and the trans, means cis and trans. Okay, secondly, the unsaturated fatty acid, they are the healthy fats and are encouraged as a part of healthy diet as they. Okay, means that your unsaturated fatty acids are the healthy fats, and it is a encourage the part of healthy part diet as a they reduce the heart diseases. Okay, means that unsaturated fatty acid you are to also useful in the healthy diet, therefore it reduces the heart diseases. It lower the cholesterol level, it lower the cholesterol level. And third is replace the saturated fat in the diet. Okay, third is replace the saturated fat into the diet. Okay, so this is all about the unsaturated fatty acid. Next is some of the example of the unsaturated fatty acid is about the palmitoleic and the oleic and the myristoleic acid. Okay, this is all about the unsaturated acid, and therefore look at this, this is the example of the oleic acid, and this is the unsaturated acid. That unsaturated acid it containing the double one, that is a unsaturated acid. Okay, therefore this is the chemistry of these soaps. In this chemistry of the soap, therefore the long chain of fatty acid, it can be either plant origin or the animal origin, means in this chemistry of the soap, therefore you are to taking the fatty acid, that fatty acid it can be changed either the plant origin or the plant origin. Okay, in the general fats, in general fats oil from the plant origin, it high in unsaturated and low in saturated fatty acid. Okay, in general fats and oils, it from the origin, plant origin, and it is a high in, means that plant origin it is a high in unsaturated and low in saturated fatty acid. Okay, and the fats oblique oil from the animal source are high unsaturated and low in unsaturated fatty acid. Okay, means that the fats oils from the animal source it have high saturated and the low unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, means you are to taking the fats and oil, you are to formation of the soap, and that from the animal source, that from animal source it is a high saturated, it is high saturated, and it is a low unsaturated in fatty acid. Therefore therefore this point introduction of this point is over. Therefore look at this reaction of the formation of triglyceride, that is you have to take the glycerol in presence of 3 times of the fatty acid. Therefore the 3 times of the water molecule are removed, and therefore you have to formation of triglyceride. Okay, this is all about the formation of triglyceride. and therefore this is all about the chemistry of the soap. Okay, next time we are to discuss the raw material for the soap. Okay, thank you.